Hi everybody, welcome back to one of my videos. My name's Steph. Hi, welcome back. If you don't already, if you don't, then maybe you can subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and all that jazz. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee cake. Quite a simple cake. So let's go. Line 2 tins with greaseproof paper. Okay, and turn the oven on. Turn the oven on to 180. Right, I've got a little cup, boiled some water. I need my tablespoon. Right, you put a tablespoon of coffee into your cup. Like that, into your cup, and then you want 2 teaspoons of hot boiled water, okay, to dissolve your granules. Okay. Right, in another bowl you need to add your flour, okay, which is 6 ounces or 175 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, so I've got my scales out. Oh, my kids are so noisy, sorry about that. Right, I'm just weighing my flour. Right, 6 ounces, just right. So in the bowl I have my 6 ounces of flour, or 175 grams self-raising flour. Okay. Next, we're going to put in some baking powder. Baking powder. Right. We need 1 teaspoon. Where's my spoons gone? I left them over here. Right, need 1 teaspoon. Can't find my teaspoon. Teaspoon of baking powder. Right, level teaspoon. Put it in with the flour. Okay. And then we need some soft tub margarine. I've got some stalk margarine. Okay, good for cakes and pastry. And I need another 6 ounces of margarine. Right, now what I usually do now, usually get a bit of polo and stick it in my scales, and then it keeps them clean to put the sugar in. Get my spoon, and I've got 6 ounces of marge. That's 4. 5. Perfect. Right. As I put it in my my brain's gone this morning. Like that. As I put it on here, see, keeps the sieve clean. So when you come to put your sugar in, it's not going to stick to this to your batter now. Okay, so we'll get rid of this. Put this in the bin. Right, next we need our sugar. Where's my sugar? Sugar. I need 6 ounces of this too. It is mainly sort of similar ingredients. 6 of this, 6 of that, and 6 of the other. Okay. Right, 6 ounces of sugar. Right, 6 ounces of sugar going into the bowl. Right. Next we had our 3 eggs. I need to beat the eggs, so I'm going to put them in a little bowl. Got 3 eggs. Okay. Move the bowl over a little bit. 1, 2. Three. Yeah. Get your eggs up. Okay. Right, and add them to the bowl. Okay. Next we add our cold coffee. Now it should be cold now. Made it a little while ago. Not sure. Just it's perfect. We had our cold coffee, which I made earlier. Yeah. Okay. Till it looked like that, right? And now we're going to give it a beat up. So I'm going to put it in my whiskey. Right, I'm going to beat it. Put all the mixture together. This is what the mixture looks like when it's all mixed together. Okay, and then I'm going to split it between my 2 tins and then put it in the oven. Okay, it'll take about 30 minutes in the oven. Right, I'm going to split it between the 2 of them and then we'll stick it in. I did the mixture into 2 of my baking tins. I'm going to put them in the oven now. And then we'll see what they come out like in about 30 minutes. Right, while the cake's cooking in the oven, I'm going to show you how to make the coffee cream, or coffee buttercream, or I think in America they call it frosting. So again, we're going to melt some coffee. This time we're going to do the same as last time, but we're also going to add some cocoa. Okay, so we have 1 tablespoon of cocoa and 2 teaspoons of coffee. We're going to melt it in a little bit of hot water. Okay, and we shall be back. We've done our coffee cocoa mixture. I added some water to it. Okay, right, so that's that done. Now if we get a bowl, we're going to need to measure out our icing sugar. Okay, and our butter. Alright, next, so we need 8 ounces of icing sugar. So I've got me scales again. Smoking. Anyway, right, got my 8 ounces of icing sugar, which I'm going to put in my bowl. Right, and then I need butter. I'm going to do the same as I did last time. Put me piece of tissue in. I have butter this time. I've got 4 ounces of butter. I'm hoping I've got enough. Oh look, that's perfect. Then add that to our bowl. Okay, and just put the lid on. Now we're going to start adding the coffee granules. Okay, and then we're going to whisk it up. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to go and beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Right, and once it's all beaten, it makes this lovely butter icing. Okay, it's sort of coffee, chocolatey, ready to decorate your cake with. Right, as you can see, I've sandwiched me sponge together. Now, I did put I just realised that I use a 10-inch tins rather than 8-inch, which is why it hasn't come out very deep, because it didn't have a lot of sponge mix. But Does mean it go further, but it does mean it's not such a thick cake as it usually is, because I've done the 2 bigger tins. Anyway, I've sandwiched them together with me butter icing. Now I'm just gonna put some on top like this and cover my cake. I'm using a palette knife to spread it out. Okay. Like that. Yeah, it's one of my husband's favourite cakes, so he would be pleased. Right, I'm gonna put it down the sides as well. Okay, I'm gonna cover the sides like that too. It's up to you how you decorate it. You don't have to cover sides if you don't want it. But there should be enough butter icing to cover the sides as well. Okay. Right, I'm going to do that and then I'll get back to you in a sec. As you can see, I've covered all the edges, covered the top with lovely creamy coffee, butter, coffee, chocolate cake. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just to make it a little bit more fancy, I'm just going to grate some chocolate on the top, and then we shall have cake for tea. Okay. Right, what I've got here now is some dark chocolate. I'm just going to grate some, put it on the top. I also have some white chocolate. Just going to grate a little bit of that on top, just to make it look pretty. Right, and there you have it. A homemade coffee cake made with, coffee cake, and then made with coffee and chocolate icing and sprinkled with grated plain chocolate and white chocolate. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, maybe give it a try. Tell me what you think if you do, and if you think if it's okay. Anyway, I'm off now because I'm rambling. Talk to you all soon. Bye for now, everybody. Bye. 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 Bye.